What's going on, everybody? We got a package here from Spedal, and if I'm not mistaken, it should be a dash cam, backup cam, Bluetooth, wireless phone card connection there for a radio. Might put it in my truck, but my brother just got a little beater, so and actually doesn't have a radio at all, so it's kind of perfect timing. But I'll show you what's in the box here. Got a nice screen. Looks like it's got a camera. That's where the camera is for the front. Nice big screen, eh? That to the side. Yeah, Spedal, Navicam, user manual. See what else we got in here. So, assuming that's going to be to connect the two cameras together because it has a backup camera. This must be the mount. Not too heavy. Nope, nice sticky pad. Ooh, got a window mount. That's handy. That'd be pretty handy. Nice. What we got in here? This seems to be the backup camera. Got a couple stickies. Oh, it's metal mount here. Nice little camera. This will be for hooking the rear camera up. And I'm not too sure what this cord is. We'll figure that out in a bit when we get her hooked up. Oh, comes with a little SD card, 64 gig. It's always good. It's always handy to come with. Kind of sucks when they don't come with a memory card. And we got the power supply. Hook it right up into your cigarette lighter. Nice. So maybe I'll call my brother up, see if he wants to put this in his rig. If not, we'll throw her in the truck and go from there. Well, just reading the manual, it turns out that's just an aux cable to hook up to the unit and to your car stereo, if you have one. In this case, we don't, and it says it has built-in speakers, so we'll see how loud they actually are. Unless we put it in my rig, then of course it's brand new. We got the rig for that, and let's test it out. Well, we're just setting it up now in this old little beast here. Got the rear view camera just in my hand, as you can see. Oh. All right. We're just trying out the CarPlay now. Got some music on. Let's see how it goes. Well, power on. See how long it takes. Pretty quick. Look at that, we're in business. Got a front camera there. We got the back camera. Set that up here. CarPlay works good, easy. Couple clicks. Screen mirror cast, I've not tried that yet. Maybe we'll try that next. Still got a bit of a glare, but it's a little better now. Having a little gander. My computer's not working, so what I see if Cody will just hold this here while we go around and we'll have a look. good?
Yeah.
Since with the room issues, we hooked it up to the window. Little window mount on there. Seems to be alright, maybe a little shaky. See how it goes in a second here. Well, under the weight of itself, it does have a little bit of a shake. Yeah, you can probably see that now once you get up to full speed here. But see if I can give them a little tighter, and see if that helps. Well, I think the screen's still a little too heavy from this angle, but other than that, it's not too bad. I'm sure we can move that underneath. Bit of a glare there, but watch your screen. Quality clips there. And while this is plugged in, you can still plug in a USB cord into there, still charge your phone or do whatever you need. All the different settings, got the CarPlay, play your music, all your good stuff on there, GPS, maps, Android, iPhone versions. Got the audio, you can have the normal radio, Bluetooth, aux, FM. AirPlay is what we just had it on. It's like the iPhone version of the Miracast. All the different settings, streaming media, split screen, screen sleep, storage status. Language, we got an English, preferably. Time settings, I think that's the right time when I set it. And driving habit selection. What else we got? We got the video options, video durations, 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 300 seconds, just loops over and over. Coding format, rear camera, reverse on and off, and sound if you want a recording or not. Brightness, dark, bright, sound settings, volume control, full blast, key sound. Don't need that. App download. Anything you need there. Format the SD card. You gotta do that when you first set it up. Or to reset everything if I click it now. Reset everything to factory default. Erase all the phones and different things connected. And that's the version that we are running here. If you're on here, you just click on camera, goes big, stop recording, volume, lock, screenshot, oops, photos, whatever ones you want to take. Oh, I don't have the rear camera hooked up, but then switch to that one. I think I have it on the other video. It's set up there with the wires just running down. Gnarly hanging out. Oop. But like I mentioned, the only thing that's kind of the downfall is that the window mount is a little shaky. I mean, if you're just sitting here, obviously it's good. Nice view. That other mount was pretty good. And in this car, this part, the dash is so low for that front camera, but it does look pretty good. Looks good. If you have a higher dash, it'd probably be perfect. The boat, got some work to do on it. Hopefully get her going soon and in the water. Be another video on that, but a big thanks to people at Spedal for sending out the camera and screen there. It's pretty cool. I mean, I think it's good. Cody's gonna love it. He already has. He's been using it for about a week now. So it's perfect. Especially when he doesn't have a radio. So it definitely helps. That way you can listen to some tunes. And yeah, thanks for watching another video. And catch you in the next one. Go for a car ride? Go for a car ride? Woo! Let's go. Let's go for a car ride.